Hi there, this is Leah. With Christmas right around the corner, I'm busy making Christmas cards. I made this snow globe shaker card for the November Artisan Showcase on the Stampin' Up! Facebook page, using the Gingerbread and Peppermint Suite. To start the card, I made a subtle stripe pattern on the Kraft paper by spritzing a mixture of rubbing alcohol and white Kraft ink over a decorative mask. When you're done, lift off the mask and wash it right away. By the time you come back, the stripes will be all dry. I die cut a circle in the Kraft paper and stamped the background peppermints on a white card base through the circle. To keep the Kraft paper flat and in place, I used the Stamparatus and a couple magnets. I stamped the peppermints in Old Olive, Shaded Spruce, and Pool Party. To make the shaker window, flip over the Kraft paper and add a strong adhesive around the circle. I find it easier to use Stampin' Seal Plus on the curves. Place a window sheet on top that is cut out to be slightly larger than the circle. Next, add foam adhesive strips just along the edge of the window. I am also going to add the strips to the outside edge of the Kraft paper. For the shaker bits, I stamped and die cut peppermints and added a few acrylic peppermint shapes that came with the suite. Then carefully adhere the Kraft paper with window to the base. Now we need to trim and add early espresso cardstock and gingerbread pattern paper as the base of the snow globe. The trick to getting the edges trimmed to the same angle is to cut one side and use it as a template for the others. For the greeting, I wanted each line to be a different color. This can be achieved by masking with tape, or the way I like to do it, carefully stamping one line at a time, starting with the lightest color, and using a wet cloth to clean any excess ink before stamping. Now I just need to finish off the card by adding a small piece of ruffled ribbon, placing the greeting on top, and embellishing with a few more real red peppermints. This is such a sweet interactive card that kids would love to play with at Christmas. Thanks for stopping by, and if you want to see future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!